This is an amazing tool that my friend recommended to me. This is a gripper mount by Dango Design. This thing is light and durable and bites like a dinosaur. You can practically stick this anywhere that it can bite. But the main use for this gripper is for your helmet. It's super duper easy to install. And the great thing about this is that you can easily switch it to another helmet. And as you can see, it holds up well even with strong winds. And that's it for today guys. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel.